Top 5 Best Newest Acer Laptops of 2022. Number 1. Acer Swift 3 Evo Thin and Light Laptop 2022, 14-inch FHD display, Intel Core i7-1165G7, Intel Iris Xe graphics, 8GB LPDDR4X, 512GB NVMe SSD, Wi-Fi 6, fingerprint reader, backlit KB webcam. 11th generation Intel Core i7-1165G7 processor, up to 4.7 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology. Number 2. 2022 Acer Chromebook Laptop. 15.6 HD display, Intel Celeron N4000 processor, up to 2.6 GHz. 4GB RAM, 32GB SEMC plus 64GB card. Protective sleeve, HD webcam. Wi-Fi, 12 plus hours battery. Chrome OS, TGCD bundle. Number 3. 2022 Acer Convertible 2-in-1 Chromebook 11.6 IPS touchscreen, ARM Cortex-6 core processor, 4GB DDR4 memory, 32GB SEMC SSD, webcam, Chrome OS. ARM Cortex-6 core processor, 4GB DDR4 memory, 32GB SEMC SSD. 11.6-inch IPS touchscreen display with 360-inch ARM Mali graphic. Number 4. Latest 2022 Acer Chromebook Spin 311 3H Plus stylus pen, 64GB SEMC, 4GB RAM, 8-core MediaTek MT8183, 11.6 inches HD IPS 2-in-1 touchscreen laptop, Type-C, Wi-Fi, webcam, Bluetooth, IST computers pen, Chrome OS. Spin 311 3H, designed to keep your ideas flowing, anywhere, anytime with the ability to multi-mode. This Chrome OS laptop has a 360 hinge so you can use it in laptop mode for everyday computing. Number 5. 2022 Acer Nitro AN517 17.3 inches 144Hz FHD IPS gaming laptop, Intel 8-core i7-11800H 32GB RAM, DDR4 1TB NVMe SSD, NVIDIA RTX 3050 T 4GB GDDR6 killer Wi-Fi XRJ45 backlit Windows 11 Pro with re-USB drive. Latest 11th general Intel Core i7-11800H quad-core, up to 4.6 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology, 24 MB.